We now have a for loop that's putting all the images in the database onto the home page. There's only 4 images in the database right now. The images are a little off-centered here. In the home.html, the width was set to 225 pixels for the test. To set it to 100%. So now it's 100% of the card. I'm going to get rid of the buttons at the bottom, view, edit, and this 9-minute. We'll just make the entire card be clickable. For testing, we'll see whether the card can be clickable. Just for simplicity, I'm just going to make the image itself clickable. So we're just wrapping the anchor tag for the link just only around the image. So now it's only the image itself that is the clickable link. So before we can actually set up the clicking, we're going to need to set up a details page. What we want to do is click on the thumbnail, and then it goes to a larger image that has the navigation. So until we set that up, we actually can't set up the link here. So first let's go to the urls.py file. So I'm going to use a special syntax to grab the integer of the ID. Oh, we'll call it image ID. So I have to go back to the views.py file and create this details. I'm going to import this Django shortcut get underscore object underscore or 404. We still need to create the details template. We'll put a default template just to start with. In the urls.py file, I forgot to put the right angle bracket. So we'll save this. So the path will just be the image ID. We have 4 images, so we should be able to go. Okay, it seems to be working. If I do 2, oh. 2, 3, 4. So the reason this works is this method here, get object or 404. So it gets the object based on the primary key. Each object in the database has a number assigned to it. It's the primary key. So there's 4 objects in the database, and they're called 1, 2, 3, 4. They each have a key value for the primary key. So as a test, let's see whether it sends us the image. If you remember, the fields were called image, title, summary. And it's passing it a key for theta image. So as a test, appears to be working. If I change it to a different image, the images appear to be loading.